Type of sets. Name of set. Definition. Example. First, singleton set. A set of consisting of a single element is called a singleton set. A is equal to 2. A is the set of even prime numbers. Second, empty set or null set. If there is not a single element in the set which satisfies the given condition, then it is called a null set or an empty set. Null set is represented by curly bracket or a symbol phi. B is equal to x such that x is a natural number between 2 and 3. Therefore, B is equal to null set or phi. Third, finite set. If a set is a null set or number of elements are limited and countable, then it is called a finite set. C is equal to P such that P is a number from 1 to 22 divisible by 4. C is equal to 4, 8, 12, 16, 20. Fourth, infinite set. If number of elements in a set is unlimited and uncountable, then the set is called infinite set. N is equal to 1, 2, 3 and so on.